Hello, this is Media Sun Shojib, ID 212902069, Department of PSC, Green University of Bangladesh. This my topic is about our project. My project title is Account Management System. So let's start this project. First of all, I want to run this project. So if I run this, so interface has calls that input the account details. So if I enter my name and then enter my account number as my ID, then press enter, as a interface as giving interface first showing the name and the account number and some option. First check balance, second deposit, third withdraw, fourth transfer, fifth statement is for exit from this program. So if I want to check my balance, so press 1. My current balance is 0 because my initial balance is 0. So if I want to deposit some balance, so press 2 to deposit the amount. So how many amount I want to deposit? So I want to deposit 2000. Enter. 2000 amount is deposited successfully. So now check the balance. Now my current balance is 2000. So if I want to withdraw this balance, so press 3. How many amount I want to withdraw? So I want to withdraw uh, 700. So if I press, so 700 taka withdraw successfully. So yeah, now if I want to check my balance, now current balance is 100 and 1300 taka because I withdraw 700 taka. So if I want to transfer the balance, so press 4. So if I want to press 4, there tell me to enter the account number, which account I want to transfer. So I give the account number randomly and how amount I want to transfer. So if I have to transfer this amount less than my account balance. My account current balance was 1300. So if I want to transfer 1500, its message failed insufficient balance because my current balance was uh, 1300. So I have to transfer this balance less than my current account balance. So if I want to transfer the balance, I have to submit the amount less than my current balance. So I want to transfer 500. So 500 taka transferred successfully. So if I want to check this balance, I will see that my current balance is 800 taka. So if I want to see the statement, so press 5. So here showing the statement. First the account name and second the account number. Then initial amount was 0, and then I deposit 2000 taka and withdraw 700 taka and transfer 500. So my current balance is uh, uh, 800 now. So it's my statement. So uh, if I want to exit from this program, so press 6. So it will showing a message, and uh, I was successfully exit from this program. So if I want to describe this code, then the first here I include the header file, some 3 header file, then take some variables. Here is the variable, here all the variable, and this is and I use many function in this program. So this function uh, are called here. So this is the main function. It's and these codes are for the main functions. We all know that in C program all the code execute from the main function. So here is the main function, and uh, uh, every for every option there is every option I use every function. Here is all of the function there is for deposit. That is the input. For the input option, this function use for the input function, and this is for the deposit option, and this is for the withdraw, and this is the statement, and this is for the balance check, and last is the for the message when I exit from this program. That's all my project. uh, Thank you very much.